So every year around this time, my husband and I like to give back to our community. We usually go out and feed the homeless, give away cash. We just do a lot of great stuff. But this year, we wanted to do something different because the community that has done the most for us, the community that has supported us, had our back, helped us to get where we are today, is you. So that's why we wanted to focus all of our intentions. We wanted to just pour into you guys. So in honor of you, today we are going to be doing some major giveaways, y'all. Well, I'm going to give you all the details about how to sign up for it, all of the things that you guys will be able to win. I'm talking cash, I'm talking all kinds of stuff. So you don't want to miss this one. What's up, guys? This is Monique and welcome back to the channel. I'm back with the news that you can use, but first, if you are new here, hello, bonjour, hola, aloha, konnichiwa, wagwan, shalom, assalamu alaikum, jambo, namaste. So as y'all can see, I am so hyped. I am so excited to share all of these great things that we have in store for you today. But let me let you know, you see these shades on. Yes, I went and got my eyes dilated. I have this big old ring light in front of me, as y'all can see, so I don't want to be blind trying to talk to you, so I had to put the shades on, y'all. So first of all, how y'all doing? Let me know down in the comments where you are in the world right now, how you doing out there. I want to know. And this is going to be raw and uncut today, y'all. Ain't no scripts involved. I'm just coming off the dome and we're gonna just talk. I'm gonna tell y'all everything you need to know, and then that's it. So I went to the community tab recently. I asked you guys, how should I do this giveaway, y'all? And I got a lot of feedback. Some people were saying that they are not on the same time schedule as we are. So if I was to go live, they'll miss it. Some people said go live. So what we decided to do was do both. Today I'm going to kind of pre-tell you everything that's going on. I'm going to give people a chance to start signing up for the giveaway. And then we're actually going to be going live with the giveaway on Christmas Eve at 3 p.m. Make sure y'all mark that down, okay? That's when we're going to be announcing all of the winners for this giveaway. But let me tell you what's going to be a part of this giveaway. I had to come up with a list, y'all. I was like, what do my people need? So these are the things that we have come up with, y'all. Y'all ready? Brace yourself, sit tight. Here we go. We are going to be giving away not one, not two, but 3 HP laptops, y'all. I have found some amazing laptops and I want to gift these to you guys so that you can be able to make a lot of money in 2023, because I'm telling you, this year I'm coming in hot. I'm going to be telling y'all every single thing that I come across, every single way that I find to make some money. And I know y'all need laptops to be able to do that. So that's why we wanted to at least try to give away 3 of those. We may do an extra one, who knows? You know, you're not going to really know until that day comes. The next thing we're going to give away, y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. I ain't going to even tell y'all. We're going to wait for a second. Now let me stop playing. Okay, we're going to be giving away an iPhone 14. Ooh, I know. I told y'all this gonna be some good stuff. We giving away the iPhone 14, the latest iPhone out there, y'all. We want y'all to be upgraded, up to date with everything. And like I said, I'm always telling y'all about content creation. So y'all know these iPhones got some major, you know, cameras on it, and you can do a whole lot with it. So one lucky winner is gonna get that iPhone. The next thing I'm gonna be giving away is a Canon vlogging camera. We want you to be able to go out and make some money. Like I said, all of this is pretty much gifts that is going to be centered around things that we've talked about on the channel, you know, because that's what we do, okay? Now, one thing that we haven't really talked about on the channel, but we just wanted to throw in there because we just felt like it's fun. We're going to be giving away a 50-inch smart TV. So y'all can watch some TV, okay? Y'all can pull us up on YouTube on the TV and watch us there. So we will be giving away one of them. Like I said, we may do another one. I don't know. We just got to see what the spirit feeling like on that day when we're actually pulling winners. A few more things, y'all. I told y'all this is a good list. We're going to be doing some cash giveaways. I'm not going to tell y'all how much. Now, the cash giveaways are going to be live, y'all. I'm sorry. The only way that y'all could get the cash is if y'all tune in to the live one. Everything else, you'll be able to sign up today and start registering to try to win. But that cash giveaway will be live on Christmas Eve at 3 p.m. So the final thing I have on this list that we're going to be giving away, I have again partnered with BookBolt. Y'all know I talk about BookBolt a lot. BookBolt is a company that helps you to create low content books. And they make it super easy for you. They provide the tools to research the best books to start selling on Amazon, and they give you the interiors where you just click on a button, and they're going to be giving away 2 free full year premium accounts. And for those of you that don't have the opportunity to win the BookBolt giveaway, they went on ahead and also gave me a coupon to give to you guys to use. Now that premium account is usually $59.99 a month, y'all, because a lot comes with it. However, they have given me a coupon for you guys to use that will make that premium account $29.99 a month. So those are all of the things that we will be giving away on Christmas Eve. Now, one of the things you probably want to know, Monique, how do I sign up? I'm ready. If y'all ready, write it down in the comments and say, Monique, I'm ready. I am ready. So here is what you have to do to win. As far as the BookBolt giveaway, those 2 free premium accounts, all you have to do, there's going to be a link down below for you to go and enter your email address. And then BookBolt will choose 2 winners. But guess what? BookBolt trying to relax like the rest of us, okay? So they will be on break until January 3rd. That's when the winners for the BookBolt giveaway will be announced. But all other winners will be announced on Christmas Eve at 3 p.m., y'all. I keep giving y'all the details. Now, when it comes to signing up for all the other giveaways, the only thing that you have to do is email us at the Hintons giveaway at gmail.com. Y'all, I'm not checking not another email, okay? I know that you're gonna be like, well, I might increase my chance if I email over here and I email over there. No, y'all, that will not work. You only email the Hintons giveaway at gmail.com, and then you let us know I want to win, okay? And then of course I need y'all to like this video and then go down in the comments after you've done all those great things and tell me that you're done. But to make it easier on us and to make it fair for everyone, because all of y'all support us, so we just want to make it fair, we're going to be entering names into this name generator picker machine, okay? And we're just going to press a button and it's going to give us a name. But we need to know your name and your email address, so that's why I'm saying email us, and that's what's going to give us the winners, and we'll let you guys know on Christmas Eve. We also have some special things that we're going to be doing on that live as well, so we're going to have fun, y'all. And again, just keep in mind when it comes to the cash giveaway, we're only doing those live, so if you want to win some cash, you have to be there on this channel. We're going live 3 p.m. on Christmas Eve. So this is another thing, when we pick the winners, we're going to give you until Monday at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time to claim your prize. We're going to reach out to you through email. You have to email us back by that time. And if you do not email us back by that time, then we will have to unfortunately forfeit that prize and give it to someone else. So make sure y'all come back and watch that live. We are going to keep that live on the channel forever. All right, so it will be up there for you to access whether you're able to get on or not, so you don't have to worry. Like I said, we wanted to make it all fair for everyone. And another question that some of you had was that even if I win a prize, do I have to pay for shipping? You will not have to pay for shipping. We are going to ship it to you. However, I want you to keep something in mind. I know I have a lot of people that's worldwide, all right? I will be using these vendor sites. Like for the iPhone, I'm sending it from Apple. As long as Apple can ship to you, then you can win. So that's gonna be another thing, y'all. I'm gonna try to ship it wherever in the world you are, but only if those sites allow me to do it. I'm gonna be shipping some stuff from Amazon as well. So as long as Amazon can reach your location, then there is no limits on where we are sending this, okay? But other than that, I'm thinking I have hit everything. We may have some more stuff that I come up with later that I may give away. I don't know, y'all. But just make sure you reach out to me by email in case you are unable to get on Christmas Eve. We want to already have your name generated so that we can give you these chances to win all of these good gifts. We're opening up the doors of the church early, y'all, okay? We're opening up the doors of this giveaway early. So we are doing this because we want to try to reach as many people as we can. So if you want to increase your chance of winning, if you want your name to be put into this drawing an additional 3 times, what you can do is go back and watch my last 3 videos. And after you are finished watching them, like the video and also comment your favorite thing about the video so I know you actually watched it, all right? And then once you're done with that, just email me again and tell me, Monique, I've done it, because like I said, I just want to be able to keep up with your emails because I have to reach out to you that way. So email me, let me know which 3 videos you watched, and then bam. And I will be going back and checking all the comments. I'm checking everything, y'all. Making a list, checking it twice. I want to find out who's naughty and nice. Hey! So y'all, that is pretty much it when it comes to this Hintons holiday giveaway. So make sure you guys do all of those great things. And I can't wait to see you on Christmas Eve at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. And we are out. Peace.